This truck couldn't afford to make a mistake there. It had already passed the entrance once and realized it too late. Now going forward wasn't an option anymore. Going back wasn't easy either. The space was tight and the road didn't help. Still, it decides to try. No stopping traffic. No asking for help. Just trusting its own judgment. Every move now decides if it works or not. From the outside, people start getting nervous. Because one small detail can turn into a problem. And even then, it keeps going.